Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'll be discussing about XRP. And if you didn't check the last video, go and check, and let's see how our prediction played, and let's get into the analysis. So I'm on XRP Binance exchange here, and you can see these are the analysis that I did on the last video, and I mentioned what are the scenarios, and I discussed two scenarios in the last video. So if you didn't check, go and check that. And today's video, okay, I'll discuss what are the further XRP movement. In the last I mentioned that if the market did not break this high, okay, if the market did not break this high, the market can can drop. So the high did not break, so we had a drop. So now let's see how far this drop can go. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we are on a C count here. Okay, this is our A, B, and now we are on a C count. So the C will be an impulse. So I have taken here this leading diagonal here, 1, 2, and 3, big wave, the largest wave, and the 4, and the 5th we have here. And if you take this is a leading diagonal, right, then we can consider this as 1 and 2 is here. Okay, now it's going for a retracement, and the 3 can be inside this, and the 4, 5. So why I had driven this zone here is, I'll mention. So why I have driven this zone here is, you can just simple. So if you take a look, this is an impulse, right? So this was an impulse move here. So if you consider that's a first wave, okay, so now it should come for a retracement, which is second wave. So that's it, I took this as 0, and this is our first wave, 1, and now it's going for a retracement. So let's see from 0 to 1. Okay, so I had driven this zone for 0.5 fib level and 0.6. okay, so the price can bounce from these levels. Okay, if it comes extreme, it can come these two levels. Okay, if it comes extreme, it can come for these two levels, or else it can bounce from this 0.5 level. Okay, I'll undo that for now. So in the last video I mentioned that this pattern, if it breaks up, so in the last video I mentioned that if this pattern breaks up, then it could be an impulse to the upside. But at the current market, the market has broken to the downside. So now it's in a retest. Now it's in a retesting. So, and also you can see that 200 EMA. Okay, right? You can see the 200 EMA. So if this 200 EMA did not hold the price above 8, then the price can drop. So if the EMA is broken to the downside like this, if the market broke the EMA like this down, then the market can drop here. Okay, so now the market is going for a retrace for the complete the second wave. So anything could happen here. If you are still entering a short trade, it's better to use with the correct stop loss and take measurements for that, and the target could be here. Okay, so the pattern's target is this, and if you take with the Elliott wave also, it's like that. Since the market is retesting this good resistance level here, which was a previous support, so we can expect a drop from this level. Okay, it can go up here and can come, but if the market breaks this, okay, if this break and go here like this, then we should be very careful with this zone. Okay, so if this breaks, then we can expect a higher high. Okay, the probability is less. So I'll repeat it again. If the market bounce and break like this level, then this could be a bullish, because this is a descending trend line also. So I hope that won't be happening. So most possibilities are for the downside. So I'm expecting a drop like this. Okay, so let's see how the market plays in the future. So that's it for the video, guys, and let's meet up with another crypto update. Until then, goodbye, guys.